Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Unibet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in unibet.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Unibet website. Now from the homepage, if you already have an account, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be asked to enter your account details. Just type in the email address that you used to sign up for your account and then type in your account password. Then click on the login button and you will now directly be logged in to your account on Unibet. In case you have forgotten your password, you have the forgot password button underneath the login button that you can click on in order to proceed with resetting your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Unibet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.